What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the HTML tag. Now before I do continue the video, if you're not subscribed, I do recommend you subscribe and I appreciate your support. And make sure to like as well for the YouTube algorithm. And it does help me out a lot, so I do appreciate your support. But without further ado, the HTML tag, the doc type HTML declaration provides the browser with two pieces of information: the type of document and the HTML version to expect. But it doesn't actually add any HTML structure or content. To create HTML structure and content, we must add an opening and closing HTML tags after declaring the doc type HTML. Now, anything between the opening and closing HTML tags will be interpreted as HTML code. Without these tags, it's possible that browsers could incorrectly interpret your HTML code. So our task is add the opening and closing HTML tags after the declaration. Okay, so go ahead and type in HTML and then /HTML. Okay, there you go. And the reason for doing that, the doc type only provides what type of document it is and the HTML version, but it doesn't have the structured content like the HTML tags does. So I'm gonna end this right here. It's pretty short and sweet to the point. I think this is perfect if you're just starting out, but yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next